Hey guys, Brickmaster 2100, and we wanted to review of a Lego tropical bird.
This is the original.
Yeah, that's the original.
Had a baby.
Had a baby. So we're going to show you how to build this tropical bird. So you're going to need about 4 of these 2x4 thick bricks, 1 red one, and 1 blue one. So what you do is you take the blue one and 2 yellow ones, put them like this, and then snap them together so that it looks like this. Here's the hiccups, but that's okay. And then take another yellow one and put it right there. There we go. And then take the red one, put it like that, and then the yellow one just goes on the bottom like that. And then there's your Lego bird, I guess. He made it up.
Yeah.
So,
I made it, and it had babies.
yeah, it had babies, so there's 2. Whoops. Alright, so that was a review and
A how to
build a Lego tropical bird. So I guess that's it, right? Isn't that all we have for them?
Yeah. Wait, there is one thing.
There's one thing he said, so let him do that for you. Here. That's so awesome!
I know, right?
Yeah!
Bam.
Oh yeah! Alright, we'll see you guys later, and here's a tropical bird saying goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alright, see you guys. See ya, bye.
Bye.
Brickmaster 2100 and my friend,
Lego Masters.
and we're gonna sign out.
Signing out. Bye.
See ya!
Bye. See you.